you first. What are the concerns here?
Well, with regards to the concerns here, brokerages have in fact articulated, in terms of their report. So I'll start with CLSA, which has still maintained its buy rating. They have a target price which is reduced to 850 versus 860 rupees earlier. According to them, the rationale which has been projected by the management in terms of acquiring this particular UK bank is basically still a long shot. They've cut the EPS estimates for FY 17 to 18, or their entire estimate, by around 2%. However, the CLSA is still enthused with the fact that and encouraged at the same time that the management has indicated that there could be a credit rating upgrade to AAA, which can be expected this year. Now, Nomura still has a buy rating, target price 800 rupees. According to them, $100 million is too expensive an investment for a startup bank. And from a minority perspective, which is also the feedback that I got in terms of what the analyst community is thinking at this point in time, and this is articulated in the Nomura report, that minority perspective would have preferred that the company wait for this acquisition before the capital raise. Investors could have taken a better view of the potential use of the capital by the company. Remember, the company raised money via QIP recently. They find it difficult to factor in any positive outcome on the deposit taking given the uncertainty involved, considering that this step, which is basically taken by the management, is in order to demonstrate their ability to handle deposit taking more effectively, and there is no direct correlation with them getting a license in India because of that. So that's basically another concern which was brought up by analysts despite Nomura. And hence, overall, they are treating this as an acquisition, as an investment with limited near-term return. And the next trigger, like CLSA has also mentioned for Nomura, is an upgrade to a AAA rating.
Okay, all right.